Okay, so this is house number 4 for this particular family. About 10 years ago, we helped the daughter and her husband build their first home. Then about 6 years ago, we helped the daughter build a home for her father and her mother. 2 years ago, we helped the other sister and her husband build a home. And then this one is for her brother and his wife. So we got 4 homes, all in the same family, all within 6 blocks of this location. And the wonderful thing about it is, it seems like almost every member of the family gets involved with every one of these projects. The brother, who is the homeowner here, he's been involved in all 3 of the others. And he's a hands-on handyman kind of guy, and so he's always been a part of every one of these. It's absolutely a family affair, and it's a lot of fun. This is a wonderful, fun family to work with.
And so you have 2 approaches. You have the owner-builder model and you have the turnkey model. Which model are they using to build these homes for the first time?
All four of these projects were owner-builders.
And why? What's the benefit for them as a family?
This is a family full of engineers and architects. They immediately saw the value of owner-builder because they knew that they had some skills, but they knew they didn't have the entire package. And so it was a perfect fit for them to get us to fill in the gaps for them and help them get from point A to point Z. Money was important, absolutely a big part of the picture, but control was probably more important than the money piece. At least that's the way I'm perceiving it. They've seen good construction and they'd seen not so good construction, so it was super important for them to be able to see good construction and to control the process as it went forward. And they get better with each project. They get smarter with each project.
And what's an example of control for them? Of course, they get smarter with the process, but what does that look like? What's the finished product of control look like?
The pace of construction is one thing. The daughter, the woman I referred to as, she built the first house, okay? She and her husband built the first house. Pace of construction was super important to her, and making sure there was no downtime. And she's a superb project manager, and between she and our project managers, with every project, we've been able to keep these projects running at a breakneck pace. These are people who understand that time is money. These are people who understand that the better job we do of keeping things on a brisk pace, the less cost they will experience in the overall construction project. So that's been a very fun part of the project, is we are very much on the same page in terms of what we're trying to accomplish every single day. And that's why these people have enjoyed so much being owner builders with HomeWrights, taking advantage of our owner builder process.